equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus 16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Video issues on the HP Victus 16 can stem from various factors, such as outdated drivers or hardware malfunctions. If left unaddressed, these problems can lead to further complications, including complete display failure. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the graphics card, which is often the culprit behind video issues. Disconnect any cables attached to it, and carefully unscrew it from its mounting. When removing the graphics card, apply gentle force to avoid damaging the motherboard. After removing the faulty component, replace it with a new one, ensuring it is securely fastened. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, and double-check that everything is in place. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future video issues, keep your drivers updated and ensure your device is free from dust and debris. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.